Give me a few minutes, I'll cut it.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. All right. Cut it. All right, we'll test this out. If it works, then we'll cut the chip key. There we go. Try it in the ignition. There's our security light. But it does turn, so let's go cut the next one. All right, we're plugged into her car. We're gonna start on this car with a metal key. First thing we have to do is read a password. Manual selection, North America, PT Chrysler, 01 to 05 bladed key. All right, so we're gonna read a password. We do need a metal key for this, and you absolutely have to remove the key when it tells you to, or it will fail. All right, we're gonna go to control unit, read immobilizer password. We're not gonna dismantle, we're gonna read it through the vehicle. Okay, off and on again. Okay, see when it says remove the key, you have to do that. And if you don't take it out, it will fail. Okay, now we're gonna switch the ignition on with an unprogrammed chip key. So this one off, this one on. All right, we got our password. Press OK. She asked me to erase the other key, so we're gonna do that first. Erase all keys, yes. We got our password. Erasing successful. Key learning. Ignition is on. Learning successful. Next key now. All right, she's down to one key. This is the key. Security light is off. We're all set.